Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Corey, aka Blockchain, and I am a full-time professional trader. And I wanted to just make sure I did a quick video for a very exciting announcement. I am actually going to be giving away one of my masterclasses at the end of this month. It's a $500 value, completely free to you. All you have to do is make sure you comment, subscribe, smash the likes on this video, and you will be entered to win. I will be doing the drawing at the end of the month for one lucky winner, and all you have to do is support my YouTube channel here. So make sure you smash the likes, hit that subscribe button, comment below, and you will have an automatic entry to the free masterclass. And yes, you can do it on multiple videos. So each time you do it on one of my videos, it will give you an entry. So the more, the better. So again, guys, smash the likes, hit that subscribe, ring that little bell, comment below, and good luck. And let's go ahead and dive into the charts. What's going on, guys? It is Blockchain coming at you with another technical analysis update. Wanted to go ahead and discover a couple things real quick, but first off, those of you who are new to the channel, just wanted to jump over to blockchaintrading.com, where I actually encourage you to go over and actually get my #1 trading strategy that is completely free. Hit this little get in touch. I'll send you a video demonstration of my #1 trading strategy that is consistent, profitable, reliable, and applicable to every market. And then, of course, we do have the exclusive Discord for $97 a month for a 14-day trial for just $25. So a pretty sweet deal there. And then the yearly subscription, obviously half off. So a little bit of a better deal there. And then the masterclass that I'll actually be giving away for free. All you need to do is subscribe, like, and comment for an entry for the drawing. I'll be doing that again at the end of the month. So here's the details on that. So make sure you guys jump over and check it out. All right, cool. Let's go ahead and hit the charts real quick. So I'll be covering Bitcoin, ETH, a little bit of XTZ, Link, DOT, and XRP. And overall, just on the higher time frame, I got a couple different scenarios. So and it depends if you're looking at a log scale or linear scale. But linear scale for this move up, it's really just how it could be counted as an overall impulsive wave. And I just want to change that real quick so you can see it a little bit better. I don't know if that made it better or worse, but we'll bring this off to the side. All right, so this is how it could be impulsive with a 1, 2, 3 coming out for a 4, and then opening for 5th. That would put us roughly at about 28.6, right in that ballpark. You see we tagged the 1.618 for the wave 1, 2, which is a perfect third wave extension. So we tag that. Depending on what we do up here, but a fourth wave could be fairly drawn out, just based upon the time it took the wave 2 to officially complete and form. And we can do a quick little time zone here. Yeah, so this is the daily. Could be in a fourth wave until roughly around mid to late January, depending on time. So we'll see what that turns into. But let's go ahead and dive into the smaller time frames real quick and see where we are currently at, and see what we can do on some of these moves in the meantime. And also what is interesting too is that what we could be looking at from this guy is on the 6 hour, doesn't look like we have a completed formation yet. So it's like we have a 1, 2, 3, currently in a 4th, and then potentially go up for one more leg. So if we do pull the trend, and see we did have an overextended third, but sometimes with an overextended third you can get a truncated 5th. But with as bullish as everything is, it's possible we can go up to a 3.618. Let's actually see what the pivots on there. So definitely well above on the 6 hour. Where were we at for the daily? Let's go to daily at the 24.3. I'll go ahead and just make a tag there. Which is also roughly around the 2.618. So it is very possible we can get a small little kick up for a fifth wave up to that daily resistance at the 24.3. So a nice confluence right there at the 2.618. So let's look at some of these other indicators on the smaller time frames. But you kind of see we're definitely flagging out, which is pretty typical for a fourth wave. And you can see the CB index is pretty much completely reset, and that's what we like to look at on the fourth wave, where we start to see these indicators reset. So we did come back down towards the bottom of the bullish control zone. Looks like we got a little bit of a bounce and trying to get back into it. So it does look like it does want another break to the upside based upon the 2 hour here. So that would be my target, roughly. That would be my first target for the 24.96. If we get past that, then I'd start looking at the 3.618, which is at 26K, possibly the 4.23 to get super overextended at 27. I don't think we have the weekly pivots in yet. Let's see. No, we still have R3 back down here, so nothing to really go off on those guys. Alright, so I'm looking for another leg up and kind of see what happens right here at this zone first and make any plays, but I'll probably jump in once we get confirmation on a break of either direction at the moment. So I'll kind of let it consolidate, but definitely nice swings here in the middle for a couple scalps. Alright, let's see, let's take a quick look at ETH. ETH very much doing the same thing. This is from our last video. Very much same thing, very triangular formation. I'll probably honestly do the same thing in regards to just jump in on a confirmed break. With these triangles, they can be a couple different things, either in A, B, C, D, E, that we take out, or something ABC right here, and then this would be the first leg where we break the trend line. So we'll watch there, but we did already have our bounce off of the volume band, CB index reset, and we had a nice little buy signal on the market liberator as well, right there. So it does look to me like it does want again another potential leg up. And then let's see, we did hit the 1.618, so ETH I'd be looking to potentially get up here at 709. Let's see where we get the R3. Yeah, we're consolidating actually right below the R2 at 655. We have the R3 up here at 753, so a couple of zones to pay attention to. Alright, and let's take a quick look at Tezos. Didn't really do much from the last update, unfortunately. Had a nice little bounce, but like I said, I was looking for an ABC formation. We did get rejection right here at the pivot. Finding resistance, yeah, we might get one more leg up, find this as support, and then potentially still take off, but that's on the daily here. So let's look at the 2 hour. Yeah, so it could be potentially a 1, it could be a 2, and go for a 3, 4, and a 5. It starts at 5, it's got to end at 5, so that's what we're looking for on Tezos here. Yeah, same thing, getting back above the The fast-moving EMA, market liberator has reset, CD index has reset, so yeah, look for another leg up. Link. Yeah, Link just looks corrected, unfortunately. So we're looking on the dot. And it looks like we did get an extended third. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mine just up being overextended fifth. Yeah, so a couple different things to look at here on dot, to where this being A, B, and this is the C here in the middle. 5. No. Let's try that again. Boom, boom, boom. Which means we would have this come back into a 5-wave move back to the downside, or this is going to be a wave 1. This is currently in the 2, and then up to the 3. But we see the market liberator has completely reset, so it does look to have some potential move to the upside, even if this is 1 and then a 2 reset. But look for another play back up here to at least 5.48, 5.55. And possibly see what we do there. Let's go back to Link real quick. It kind of seems to be almost similar. Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. Yeah. I look for potentially the same thing as they've been reset. So, all right. And then XRP, we were right here yesterday. We got that extended fifth. Actually, fifth and the fourth down. I don't honestly look for another retest of R3 at 0.69. CD index reset, got a nice little buy signal. So yeah, upon confirmation of the break, that's what I'll be looking into. But it looks like just consolidation for a potential 4th wave at the moment. So all right, guys, those are my thoughts. Make it super quick today. I'll go in a little bit more detail on the weekend. I'll do a longer version and get some quicker things in regards to some scalps for today, but some longer term projections over the weekend. So again, if you guys like my content, smash the likes, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the Discord.